Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Good evening, wonderful people of Biafra. Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, good wishers of Biafra. I want to respond to one Tozo. Tozo. It is irrelevant anyway, but permit me to respond to him. I will not dwell long in this broadcast. I just want to respond to this Tozo. It is irrelevant, so it doesn't na utele ijele. Utere ijele. Tozo, one Tozo that was deported some times ago. This dead man that I'm showing you, this dead man walking, the dead cop walking, he will beg for his life, but he will see not. We are not going to kill him just like that. We will make sure that we fit his body in different river in Biafra land when time comes. The Tozo that used to think that IPOB or Biafra freedom is business, and he came inside the struggle to use it, they better their life. The same way DOS is doing, they see the struggle as a business where they can use in making more money. That was the same way this idiot came inside IPOB to use it in making money. When he was, cut off, he ran away and come to the side of Nigeria, and then he was beginning to sell those who stupidly believe he's still in the struggle until he was fully cashed out. The reason why I'm not used to responding to somebody like that, but this idiot, I just want him to know, because he talked something, two things I want to respond to him, then I will go to what really value is irrelevant. I don't talk much on Tozo, but let me just respond to him, because he said that nobody respond to if what he said could have been truth or lie, that somebody could have responded to him. Concerning Itanenza, the DSS and military and Ebubaku that we went to Itanenza Hall and killed more than 200, gunned down that night. More than 200 that they were crying. This idiot is now coming on earth to twist the narrative. Let me tell you, no single BLA was wounded. No single of us was wounded. Not even crash. Not even single crash like this. Not single crash like this. Cha-cha. So, and you know that they cannot see us. Them quite know that they cannot see us. Now, that is one thing I want you to know. Go back. You go see blood full everywhere there. And you are coming to claim that it was just a minor casualty in your people's side. Ijele, Utele Ijele. Tozo, I want you to follow them, come back to one of these days. Follow them. and see whether you go carry your 2 leg go back. Follow them, come. See, there is another thing you are saying, that you vow to expose all the BLA camp. You are tozo, you are an idiot. Because I may know where we are. We are in Osumowo. Osumowo, they know where we are. From Itanense to Osumowo, you know far. Now just very how many miles? You know if you reach 1 mile. You don't know that. Then tell you say they don't know where we dey. Then tell you say they don't know where we dey for Kigwe. Did I tell you say they don't know where we dey for Oweri? Did I tell you say they don't know where we dey in every camp in old Imo State? Idiot. You are looking for the way where you go deceive them, collect money. Maybe they want them pay you before as finish. I want you, please send this message to reach Hope Uzodinma, to reach Soludo, to reach anybody, any friends of Zoological Republic. Send this message to reach them. Tell Ijele to work out with the army to come show them they come. Now. I challenge you, Ijele. Waka, don't see that one place direct them. Them a miss route. Carry them, tell them, say, I know exactly where the place is. Carry them, waka. If you even collect army uniform, follow where. Collect bulletproof where. Carry gun, make them follow, give you gun. If na chain gun, collect from them. Then waka in front, waka with them, they come show them they come. If you they come, you fit drop message say Ijele they follow come oh. In fact, even though you know drop message say you they follow come, the reason why I want you to drop message is because so that we go capture you alive. In na you we go capture you alive, but never see them less. You feel no tell us say you they come. Just waka for front, waka with them. Whether you waka in the middle or you waka at the back, just follow them. March in, yeah, and see whether you go back with your life. Tozo. You don't know wetin pass you, strong pass you. I know they tell you now say Biafra pass Nigeria and Biafra Liberation Army strong pass all your terrorist friends and co. I challenge you, Ijele. Today is 12th November. 12th November. Ijele, I challenge you to follow Nigerian Army. Come Osumowo, and see whether you will go back alive. If you go back alive, I drop this liberation. I drop this call for freedom. Ijele, I challenge you. If you come to zoo with, if you like, come with 1 million soldiers. Ijele, if you go back with your life, I know there is no God. Thunder fire you. When I say something, it must happen. Ijele, your complete body will not bury one place. Write it down. Your complete body will not bury in one place. Your body will pieces. Carry soldier come. Walk out for front. Don't sit down one place, they direct them. Hope. If you should pay Ijele money, tell Ijele, abeg, follow this soldier, go show them road. Make him follow them, come show the soldier road. Idiot. Irrelevant, insignificant fellow. Better person no fit person where get body no fit stand back man. Na I go come stand back man. If person like Sally Dokubo cannot withstand the heat, now I like you go withstand the heat. You think say we dey fear? They know where we dey. I challenge you, Ijele. Follow them, come. If you go back with your life, I live this struggle. You don't know? Do you think Biafra is a child's play? You don't even need to vow. They know. I am getting intel. They're supposed to don't come since, but nobody won't come. Soldier they fear. They say if now Osumo will say they know they come. Say they only come here to die. And mind you, hope will soon enter problem because hope always they bring soldier to come and kill because they know, hope know that once they come to Sumowo, they must die. No going back. They know hope plan. Hope want to finish Yoruba and Hausa. Hope want to finish Yoruba. Now Hausa no one come again. Yoruba no one come. They say, okay, hope bring more Igbo youth. Put them for Ebubaku. More with now just few Yoruba and few Hausa where go be commander and captain, the leader of the squad to come. Ijaw people don't run. Asawana don't run. People will get body to stand back to be back man, they no fit stand. Now I, like you, people go talk, you go follow come, they talk nonsense. People go open mouth for social media. Utele, Ijele go also come and open mouth. I challenge, let's share this video to reach Ijele. Ijele, follow soldier come, they know where we are. Follow them come. Tozo, you know go ask Asari Doc, you are waiting in see. All in boys. You know how many boys where Asari Doc lost in Imo State? Asari get license to train soldier. Asari have been training soldier. Asari sell his soldier, collect how many millions of naira and send them to Imo State. Go and ask Asari how many come back alive. How many? Hope went to Niger, chat. Deploy many machinery. How many go back alive? Idiot. You think say we dey fear? We know they fear death. We don't die this die since 1945. Our mother die, reincarnate. Our father die, reincarnate. Our sister die, reincarnate. Our brother die, reincarnate. We are the spirit Nigeria and Britain killed many years ago. We are back to claim what is rightfully belongs to us. This land of our ancestors, we go nowhere. And you cannot do pim. You cannot do pim. We will fight you, you stand still and cut cap for us. We will fight you until the whole world stands still and help Biafra. You see us with the rule now. Martin Nnamdi Kanu tell you, say, our madness, they come small. Our madness, now small in they take, they come. You know they come like boom. You understand us? Before you, they say, you they make noise for social media. Only social media. Oh, social media freedom. Fighter. How far now? Ask Nigeria government, how far? How far? Have you not seen our output? You have seen our output now. Why are they running? You hear them? We are constructing what is about to zing Nigeria. Say, you don't know what is coming. Now they laugh. Yeah, it's just how they laugh. When I don't know what is coming, don't call me rebel. Nigeria soldier, don't call me rebel. I'm a citizen, you are a foreigner. Idiot. In my land, in my own father place, where I gain ground, my domot, my area. Now you think say you feel come and conquer me? Why when I never come? Now say when I know they see people where when they fight before you know say you they fight with spirit. I not tell you say we be legion. The people where you don't kill before, that we are reincarnate to claim what we die for. Have I not told you that? You can't see us. We are breeze. Have you seen breeze before? Now we be cuckoo. He cuckoo. Now we be that cuckoo. Now you they breathe, get life. When we decide to stop your life, we cease the breeze. The breeze. You fit, you die. What? Now we be the water. Can you use basket and fish water? Now we be that water where you know if we fish with basket. And you can never survive without water. So when you vex us, we poison the water. And every water you drink, every water you take bath, every water that you cook food give you, become poison and kill you. You don't know that? You don't know that? Now you know. I tell you that you are dancing the dance of the spirit. But how long are you going to maintain this dance? Because now we be the spirit. Don't start what you cannot finish. I've told you that. He said, this play of the spirit you are bringing on, I'm not sure say you go fit down this dance. So we see the gear too. You go hear from us. Nah, 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 nah. You go hear from us, no be today. You go hear from us, no be today. Tell Nigeria soldier, tell Nigeria police, every armed forces in Zoological Republic, that what is coming is bigger than them. I always like to give you, warning ahead. Because it is the instruction given to us by Chukwu Kikabiam. I say, warn them, warn them. The same way Moses, each time Moses will go to Pharaoh, he say, Pharaoh, don't say the Lord, let my people go. And Pharaoh go say, no. And immediately, Pharaoh Moses go say, by this time tomorrow, so thing go happen. And Pharaoh go think say na joke. That same time tomorrow, flood come. The next time he then go, call me Moses. Moses, let this thing go. I will let Israel go. Moses will plead. God remove the pledge. He will say, okay, let my people go. And at the end again, he will say, by this time tomorrow, this social thing will happen. And that was what happened. Until their firstborn die. Before their eye open. It didn't stop from there. Until all of them drowned in the Red Sea. And nobody will survive to tell the story. Nigeria, you go drunk. Now I tell you that what is about to happen, you never get prepared for it. I've warned you. I say you have 1 month to carry your body, your living body, leave Biafra territory. I just give you that warning for the sake of God and weakness. Because that is what he asked me to do. And that is why I told you. Say, when I tell the wicked man that the wicked man, you will surely die. And I tell you as a watchman, go and tell the wicked man my message. And you fail to deliver the message. Say, when the wicked man die, I will require in blood in your hand. Because you did not warn him. But when I tell you to go and warn the wicked man, and the wicked man hear the message, and the wicked man refuse to change, he said the wicked man must surely die, and his blood must require in his hand. Now, try to tell you so. Meko, Ijele, I challenge you, follow them come, and see whether you go back alive. I don't want to dwell so long. But remember, I've told you yesterday that you have 1 month from 11th of November, that was yesterday, to 11th of December. to leave Biafra territory or face the massive debt. Massive debt. You will not see how it will take come. It will come like heavy thunder. Heavy thunder. You will see a serious flooding that will pack all of una. You will drown. You will look for breeze you will not see. And you will die. Painful death. So therefore, if you like, you take it. If you don't like, make your body see they do you gra gra. At the end, you go know, either in your grave, that sometime, somewhere, somebody gave you warning. You think say we dey fear you? Now gun and bullet you carry and bomb. And you carry gun and bullet, come to our land to kill us, the land of our ancestors. And you don't know that you are coming to meet your doom. You are only coming here to die. Nothing will save you. As long as you step your foot inside this land in the name of killing the children of the soil, you can never go back alive. Write it down somewhere. Talk less of the bastard like you. The child where mama do akwana. Born give one Fulani, waiting that they call Alaji. Make una examine this guy very well. Him and this former drunkard that was the former Anambra drunkard governor. Obiano. No. The former drunkard, they resemble. We no fear better people. Now idiot like this go come talk for social media. I don't even know how this idiot, who, in fact, anybody wherever share this idiot brokers to my page, you know go like what I go do am. I challenge Iyela waiting that your name no even sound to you know even gree me call to come follow your friend them. Make them give you gun. Tell them to give you where you bulletproof well and see whether you go back alive. That is the only advice I can advise you. If now where we dey, we no dey for secret place. We know that we do not have any hiding out. We are in a well-known place, well-known. Hope no. So you don't know. All the army general, army captain, all of them, they knew. Iratago? All of them, they knew exactly where we are. So it's not a new place. It's not a new thing for them. What I can advise you is that just follow them, come, so that you go capture us, give them. That is the only advice I can advise you, so that your money will be double. You know, if you can capture us, your money will increase. Idiot. If you can capture us, your money will increase. That is the least I can tell you. Follow them, come. And back to my good people, my good followers, my family, who really make me proud. You know, all the Biafrans in the Biafran territory and outside, you are my family. I thank you so much for always keeping to the instruction. Because he who fail to listen to instruction will always meet destruction. Tomorrow is the Nnamdi Kanu holiday. Don't forget. Keep yourself safe by staying in your house, please. The enemies of the land are moving to and fro, looking for who that may devour. And you know that the enemies of the land is the enemies of the people. Keep yourself inside until that very day is over, what you're supposed to have on Monday, God will double it for you on Tuesday. Thank you very much. As I say, that this broadcast is not intended to dwell long. I just want to challenge the idiot to follow the army come and see whether he will go back alive. God bless you all, lovers of freedom. And the enemies of Biafra, they will all be destroyed. And at the end, Biafra must definitely be restored. There is nothing anybody can do about it. There is nothing anybody can do about it. Biafra must be restored. And not any other time. In this our time. In this our time. So if you don't like it, for those of you who have been complaining, let me use this opportunity to put it to you. Those of you who have been complaining, this lockdown, they only affect Igbo business. Igbo business. At least you they see your business. If you stay for house on Monday or any lockdown where we put, later you will still go continue with your business. It better pass your brother where they Lagos, where they don't burn their business. Business they no see. Their house they no see. But your own, you see your business anytime they open up the lockdown and you are still complaining. May thunder fire you. You think say your business is more than 30 millions of people, children, women, old and young that die. You think say that your business. Maybe it's time where we go to mark people, where go they talk nonsense, so that we pay that your business proper visit. Yes, I think it's proper. Your brothers who do multi-millions naira business in Lagos, they no burn their business down. They no destroy their house. Assuming that they were in Biafra land, we tell them, say, lockdown 1 week. After 1 week, 1 month, you see go back, you see your business continue. If for no better for them, they ask you, if for no better for them, you won't be say you don't see business where after some time you will see go back, you will come they complain. You think say your business they important to us. Okay, they meant something where they come, where you no go even see chance, no go even see place, no go even see space to go and do business. You know, survive. You go hang yourself now. You know, see Israel. You know, nah. When I know if it verse me, okay. Your business is not important. As our prime minister have spoken, if you don't like it, carry your business, go Lagos, carry and go Fulani land.
So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye bye.